Yo, man, it's a bird in the crib, yo. I know y'all see that nigga, right? A bird in the crib. Y'all see him right there.
Trying to get outside, yo.
Why?
It's a fucking bird in the crib, dog.
Lift up the window.
Huh?
Mike, hold on.
World Star
Hold this.
YouTube.
Hold that.
World Star YouTube, yo.
Make sure you open the window.
Open up the window. I don't know how to do this. I'm trying to get out, man. Shut up.
I don't know how to do it.
A fucking bird in the crib, yo.
Y'all don't know how to open up the window?
No, you like? Please. I wish you and Mom would go away. This is what I'm talking about.
Yo, you went back in the ceiling, yo?
He went back in the ceiling. And you still, Corey, put it down.
World Star, dickhead. This joint going on YouTube first. Cool Kid 93.4. They know who it is. It's the kids. The cool kid 93.4, nigga.
He not going back up there. Mike.
Yo, dog, this part one of the bird, yo.
This is what we're going to do. Are you listening?
Part one, yo.
Mike, put the phone down.
Yeah.